Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good. How the weather today?
It's windy.
Is
Windy.
windy?
And
I don't see the wind.
Cloudy.
It's cloudy. How the weather today? Nam? How the weather today? Is how the weather?
It's cloudy.
How the weather?
It's cloudy.
How the weather?
It's cloudy. It's cloudy today.
How the weather?
It's rainy.
Rainy? It's going to rain. Okay. So today we're gonna learn about bee. 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 Beehive.
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 Now I'm gonna put the beehive on the tree. Can you hear the thunder? Thunder.
Bee.
Thunder.
Bee.
Okay. Let's put the beehive here.
Right.
Right. There's a beehive here. You don't come here, okay? Oh, sorry. We're gonna put another way. Let's put another way. Here. Okay, that's good. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Birds up high, birds down low, buzzing fast, buzzing slow. Birds all day but sleep at night.
Sao có cười vậy? Không không.
Someone wake me up.
Wake up! Wake up!
Wake up! Wake up! Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive.
Rồi.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mẹ bỏ vào cây đi. Mẹ bỏ vào cây. Mẹ bỏ vào cây đi.
Oh my god! Hey, where'd you put it? Hey, come here. Now let's listen to me again. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying
Đi.
out
Bỏ ra
of the
tay mẹ đi kìa.
and open the door for Brother T. Here is Brother T, but where are all the K? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here he comes flying out of the bicycle. Okay, he parked the bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's
Khoan tí. Sao rồi có ớt nai ngủ để gọi cô thắp nha.
Okay. Now let's sing it again. Okay. Can you put all the toys away? Put all the toys away.
No.
There's no toy. Baby, now sit down.